Today, we've got something really special for you, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We'll be diving into our first impressions, so stick around as we reveal the must-have features of this incredible compact drone. Now, on to my first impressions. The DJI Mini 4 Pro feels incredibly compact and lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion for any adventure. If you want to learn more about DJI Mini 4 Pro, so click the link in video description. The build quality is impressive, and it gives off that premium feel you'd expect from a DJI product. Setting it up was a breeze within minutes. I was ready to take it for a spin. Alright, let's get into the must-have features of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. First up, the enhanced camera system. This drone boasts a insert specs camera, delivering stunning aerial shots in high resolution. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a videographer, this camera won't disappoint. Next, the intelligent flight modes. The Mini 4 Pro comes equipped with mention modes, providing users with creative and automated flight options. It's like having your personal filming assistant in the sky. Now, let's talk about the battery life. DJI claims mention battery life, and in our initial tests, it held up remarkably well. This means more time capturing breathtaking moments and less time worrying about recharging. I took the Mini 4 Pro for a spin in various environments, from open fields to urban landscapes. The drone handled exceptionally well in different conditions, showcasing its stability and precision. The controller's ergonomic design also adds to the overall user experience. If you want to learn more about DJI Mini 4 Pro, so click the link in video description. Before we wrap up, let me share a few tips and tricks to get the most out of your DJI Mini 4 Pro. Insert tips, such as firmware updates, camera settings, and flying tips. And there you have it, our first impressions and a deep dive into the must-have features of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're as excited as I am about this drone, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments your thoughts on the Mini 4 Pro. Until next time, fly safe and happy droning. If you want to learn more about DJI Mini 4 Pro, so click the link in video description.